With that series of jumps, history has been made by former Royal Marine and single-leg amputee Lee Spencer.
To use the muscles that you use when you jump are very different to the muscles that you use when you're normally walking, and I kind of forgotten what it was like. So it was really good to get on, really good to get on something that not only is destined to go up onto the International Space Station, but an added bonus, got to jump for the first time in 7 years.
Lee has volunteered to be the first amputee to trial the HIFI-m machine. That's high-frequency impulse for microgravity, an exercise machine designed for astronauts. Here's Major Tim Peake enjoying the benefits of zero gravity on the International Space Station. It sounds obvious, but having no gravity means you can't jump and then land as you would on Earth. But why does that matter? Well, as I walk along, gravity is placing a small amount of strain on my bones and muscles. Without that force, they'd soon lose condition.
Here on Earth, as you so rightly say, we've got 1G gravity pulling us down continuously, and we don't think about it. The moment we're extracted from that 1G load, our bodies adapt, meaning it's very easy just to pick up our arm, but it would just keep going, or because gravity would normally pull it down. So when we're in zero gravity, astronauts will lose up to 1.5% of their bone mass density in a month if they do nothing. So jumping is a fundamental exercise which stresses the muscles and also loads the skeletal system.
John's device could be used on the International Space Station, or possibly on the next NASA mission to the moon. And like so many bits of technology designed for the space race, it could benefit Earth too. First, Lee is weighed before the machine is calibrated to his weight.
Each one of these big ones here is 6 kilogram.
The weights are lateral, flat, unlike a traditional leg press which has them vertical, enabling the jumping simulation.
The problem with bench press, you're only using those slow twitch muscles.
Yes.
Whereas with that, you're firing off the muscles you need for actually moving and walking.
Yeah.
The former Royal Marine lost his leg in an accident on the M3 motorway, but that's not deterred him from an adventurous life. Known as the Rowing Marine, he's crossed the Atlantic single-handedly.
From my perspective, it felt like something that I'd never used, and something that I can absolutely see how that would have benefited me through building muscle density and muscle strength in the immediate aftermath of getting out of a wheelchair and transition into walking again.
I had a fair idea in my mind that it would be successful, having used it for a very long time, but the proof is putting Lee on here and testing him on there. And the advancement is we will be able to administer a dosage of exercise, a load, on an individual's skeleton and their muscles, and gradually build up that load that will help develop bone density, muscle mass.
Scientists are closely monitoring this trial, with a team viewing from the Czech Republic today, and Lee has committed to return for further time on the device after a promising first go. Tim Cooper, Forces News, Teddington. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.